So on 21 June 2020, Technical Guruji made this video talking about boycotting Chinese products in India. Technical Guruji in a way committed कि जब तक वो कर सकते हैं he will not promote any Chinese products. सिर्फ 16 दिन बाद Technical Guruji uploaded this video. Again, just after 40 days, Technical Guruji ने दोबारा से Chinese smartphones की वीडियो डाली. इसके अलावा भी दूसरी वीडियोस में he did not stop to talk about Chinese products. Now you may call him a hypocrite for this, but I will not. Why? Because I have a solid reason for that, backed by psychology and various experiments. कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने कहा था ना कि we all are hypocrite in some way or the other. It's time to prove it. So let's learn psychology by Technical Guruji and every other sane human alike. Also a quick disclaimer, my words and even psychology is not the ultimate truth. सुनो, समझो, सोचो and improve करो. Learn what is useful, discard what is not. So moral hypocrisy पर हुआ ये experiment one of the most interesting experiment है. Around the year 2000, Daniel Batson and his colleagues conducted a series of experiments. उन्होंने किया क्या कि they gave people a choice. First one was an appealing task जिसमें तुम कुछ प्राइज मनी भी जीत सकते थे, while second one was a dull task with no rewards. Basically, task 1 was positive and task 2 was negative or neutral. अब participants को एक choice दी गई, या तो वो task 1 चूज कर लें that is positive, या तो वो task 2 चूज कर लें that is negative. But इसमें भी एक condition थी. If participant 1 chose task 1, दूसरे participant को टास्क 2 ही मिलेगा. एंड अगर फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट टास्क 2 चूज करता है देन सेकंड पार्टिसिपेंट को टास्क 1 मिलेगा. देखो, बेसिकली ये मान लो कि तुम पार्टिसिपेंट 1 हो. यू हैव टू चूज बिटवीन अ पॉजिटिव टास्क and a negative task. If you choose the positive one for you, someone else gets the negative and vice versa. तो अब देखो हुआ क्या. जब लोगों से पूछा गया उस टाइम only 5% people, that is just 1 in 20, believed that कि खुद को positive task assign करना was the more moral thing to do. Attitude के according 95% people were not in favor of taking a positive reward and then rating their behavior high on the morality scale. Now the interesting part starts here. So when the time came to actually do the act or the behavior, पहले जहां 20 में से सिर्फ एक इंसान ऐसा कह रहा था कि हमें पॉजिटिव रिवॉर्ड लेना चाहिए, in reality 80% people did so. मतलब कि एटीट्यूड के अकॉर्डिंग 95% people were not in favor of taking a positive reward, but behavior के अकॉर्डिंग ये नंबर 95% से कम होकर सिर्फ 20% रह गया. मतलब सभी लोग बात तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कर रहे थे, बट जब असली में वो सब करने की बारी आई, they stepped back. And this is where moral hypocrisy steps in. Trying to show that you are moral while avoiding the costs of being so. Basically, you want to be or at least look moral. But उसके लिए जो भी काम करना पड़ता है या जो भी sacrifice करना पड़ता है, हम वो नहीं करना चाहते हैं. My argument is simple. We don't want to be moral, but to look one. This concept of moral hypocrisy works on the principle of attitude follows behavior. And attitude follows behavior एक काफी बड़ा टॉपिक है, so इस पर वीडियोस आते रहेंगे. It's so vast कि इस जैसे टॉपिक्स के लिए मे बी I'll be making a whole new channel जहां मैं इन टॉपिक्स की डेप्थ में जा सकूं. Because मेरे पास even moral hypocrisy पर बोलने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, but this channel has its own limits. So this video is just a glimpse of moral hypocrisy. So now coming back to the topic, let's take a few everyday examples. तुम सबको याद होगा कि कुछ महीने पहले when the news of सुशांत सिंह राजपूत suicide और murder came out, सोशल मीडिया पर एक ट्रेंड सा चल गया था. People were posting and reposting things like if you are having any problem, just talk to me. I am always there and whatnot. Surprisingly enough, a lot of them wouldn't even reply your message if you did so. A lot of them bullied you. A lot of them are even keyboard warriors, and a lot of them would never do what they show they will. This is again moral hypocrisy. But in the first place, ऐसा होता ही क्यों है? Let me explain. the reason isn't that clear, but here is what an evolutionary biologist says. If one can convince oneself that serving one's own interest does not violate one's principles, one can honestly appear moral and so avoid detection without paying the price of actually upholding the relevant moral principle. Basically, we want to look moral but also want to avoid the cost of being one. Studies suggest being morally correct is a trait more important than even traits like intelligence, wisdom, etc. Why? Because whether you are moral or immoral determines कि तुम सामने वाले के साथ कुछ अच्छा करोगे या फिर बुरा. While other traits are your capabilities. In other words, they determine कि तुम वो अच्छा या बुरा किस extent तक कर पाओगे. In short, morality determines your intentions and your capabilities determine the extent to which you can carry out your intentions. So morality is number one priority. But the problem is its cost. Cost मतलब क्या? Let me explain. So people believed, including technical Guruji, that it is morally right to boycott China and hence its products. ऐसे में people started to make, post and even share videos and voiced their opinions. Why? Because यार online किसको पता है कि मैं Samsung का फोन यूज करता हूँ या फिर OnePlus का. There is no cost attached to this attitude. But what do you think? इंडिया के स्मार्टफोन मार्केट में चाइना की 60 to 70% से भी ज्यादा सेल्स ऐसे ही हो गई क्या? कितने लोगों ने तो अपने स्टेटस चाइना के फोन से ही लगाए होंगे. टेक्निकल गुरुजी was just one of us. Now let's take it a step further to talk about PUBG ban. So the attitude was simple, negative for China and its products. But जब PUBG बैन की बारी आई, a lot of people were against it. And you know interesting बात क्या है? इन लोगों के पास हजारों बहाने थे कि Tencent तो बस इतने % का ओनर है, PUBG डेटा नहीं लेता and ये वो. You know why? Because A, they wanted to appear morally superior. But B, they didn't wanted to pay the cost, that is to avoid playing PUBG. So what did they do? They started to justify their act of playing PUBG. जबकि the same people were against TikTok simply because they didn't use it. ऐसे ही एक स्टडी में पता चला था that people after cheating in a game tended to even forget its rules. Basically so that they could avoid the feeling of ethical dissonance, जिसके बारे में कभी और बात करेंगे. सो मॉरल हिपोक्रेसी के बारे में जानकर तुम्हें क्या फायदा होगा? फायदा है. सी, जैसे जैसे तुम इस और इस जैसे कई और कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बारे में जानोगे, तुम अपने थिंकिंग प्रोसेस में एक चेंज देखना शुरू करोगे. होगा क्या कि तुम्हें दूसरे लोगों के बिहेवियर में एक पैटर्न सा दिखने लग जाएगा. एंड वो टाइम होगा जब तुम्हारे फेस पर एक बड़ी सी स्माइल होगी, थिंकिंग दैट कि यार ये कॉन्सेप्ट तो क्रिटिक ने हमें पहले ही बता दिया था. एंड ऐसे ही तुम लोगों को और अच्छे से समझ पाओगे. योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग विल इंक्रीज.